When everything is important, nothing is important. Prioritization is one of my biggest challenges as a product leader.
Same for us in engineering. There's always another urgent request, and teams are constantly context switching and feeling overloaded. It is a recipe for burnout.
Every team has an opinion on our top product priority.
And we know we can't build it all. So what's the fix?
More engineers? No, data.
It's always data with you.
Well, when I can use evidence to back up my product decisions, I feel a lot more confident I'm making the right ones.
And shared data lets us jointly look at the information and make trade-offs based on potential impact, not gut feelings.
For us, a shared roadmap that's connected to the actual work and constantly up to date has been a game changer.
Exactly. And putting that roadmap into context with other data from across the business, like flow delivery, OKRs, and financials, shows us whether teams are focused on the most important work.
AI has been another major value add. It surfaces insights, things that capacity mismatches, and early risks for smarter reprioritization.
And when we, product and engineering, use the same data, prioritization stops being a debate.
And we deliver the right work on time the first time.